O, diba? Sila na yung nag-intro. So, yes, for today, pupunta tayo sa Minecraft movie.
And don't forget that click to subscribe.
Salamat, Kuya.
Don't forget.
Yeah.
Don't
So,
forget to like, comment, and share, subscribe.
ang gulo na ng vlog namin. So, yes, we're going to watch the Minecraft movie. Care of the Easy Rock FM radio station. Yes, what will you tell them? Easy Rock nila. What will you tell them? What will you tell them? They gave us 5 tickets to watch the movie.
Yeah.
What will you tell them?
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you so much, Easy Rock. So, kung ako sa inyo, ilipat nyo na yung stasyon ng radyo nyo doon kasi nakarinig na kayo ng magandang music. Nagkaroon pa or magkakaroon pa kayo ng chance sumali doon sa mga contest nila. Yeah. Sa mga contest nila which wherein mananalo kayo ng mga ganito. So, kung ready na kayo, let's go! Hi guys! Para sa mga bago sa channel na to, I'm your Marspelin and I do have 4 kids. So this channel is more on motherhood, parenting, travels, food, and everything in between. So kung ganon ang klaseng content na gusto ninyo, consider subscribing onto this channel. And syempre, hit that notification bell na rin para ma-update kayo kapag nag-upload ako.
And the fate of the overworld hangs in the balance. A wonderland where anything you can imagine is possible. As long as what you imagine can be built out.
Hala! Porky. 1, 2. What will you say? Go, 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 go. Get seats na. Run! Competitive ako by nature. Bilisan mo naman.
So one day, I started thinking, anything you can imagine is possible.
Saan, saan, saan?
We built out of blocks. Welcome to the overworld.
Good evening once again, everyone here at our Minecraft movie screening. One more time. Galing talaga ng audience natin, no? There's a lot of vibrant energy going. I love that. Hello nga rin pala sa mga nagdaan all the way at the back. Give me some waves. There we go. All the way to the front. Give me some waves. Yay! Diba? Okay. 5 volunteers. 5 adults. 5 adults. Ang daming pinakapapremyo mo. Wala pa mag-specific ground. Adults na tayo, ha? Ayan. And
Mariah.
Margo, magko-concert ka dito soon, di ba? Well, ready ka na for your concert? Di pa? Mag-movie premiere ka muna. Okay, sige. Yeah, I know Mariah Carey is gonna have her concert very soon. Okay. All you need is pride.
6. Ay, grabe naman talaga.
Ganon. Kasi baka naman.
Wait lang siya eh.
Ah.
Baka nakakalimutan mo.
Ah.
Mariah to.
Yun nga eh. Yun nga mismo. Kaya nag-worry ako. Baka naman tapos na yung movie, hindi pa siya tapos. Oo. So, tingnan natin kay Mariah.
Baka warm up mo to para sa concert mo, ha? All you need is pride. Whenever you want.
All you need is
Parang kailangan, no? Yun nga eh. What if kunahin natin yung CD nila? Ito na lang po. Final thought na po natin. Ito lang paalam na ba kayo sa mga magulang niyo? Iuwi na namin kayo. Umiyak. Surprise, here we go. Let me just remind you guys that again, we are 5 DJs on 96.3 Easy Rock Manila. DJ Sam at 6 a.m. followed by DJ Chloe at 10 a.m. Then yours truly at 2 p.m. Andre.
Myself at 6 p.m. and then Luca on the block, DJ Genesis, 9 p.m.
Let's take a photo, baby. Yeah.
No biggie. There's one more thing you need to know.
A few moments later.
Did you had fun?
Yeah.
Yes. What can you say about the movie?
Minecraft movie.
What happened sa Minecraft movie? Maganda ba?
Apa.
Ikaw, ito
funniest
talagang
thing-
fun eh.
The funniest thing I like is like the village you're talking like. Me too. It's funny.
Yeah, it's funny. Ito naman, ang OG Minecraft.
Ang ganda.
Sulit ba yung mga libro na binili mo?
Kahit never ako nag-Minecraft sa buong buhay ko.
Diba? Nagbasa ka ng books ng Minecraft, pero hindi mo nalaro. Ito naman, hindi nagbasa ng libro, pero naglalaro everyday. Ikaw, saan ka doon?
Minecraft movie.
Maglalaro ka na rin ng Minecraft.
Bawal na
Yeah.
download. Bata pa siya. Bata pa ako ha! Bata pa ako ha! Bata pa ako ha!
Eto, kamusta kaya ang panaginip? Nakatulog siya kasi kumakanta, diba? Ang daming song.
Baka ata yung dream ni Forky and the 3 pandas.
Yeah. Hi! Good morning! So, nakatulog siya kasi ang daming kanta-kanta dun sa movie. And it was so nice. The movie was so nice. Especially kung fan ka. ng Minecraft. Like, naglalaro ka ng Minecraft kasi sobrang relatable ng mga ganap doon sa movie. Kung hindi ka naman nagbo-Minecraft pa or curious ka lang, ganyan, I'm pretty much sure na after mong manood, magbo-Minecraft ka na. So, it's a really good movie. Yung partnership ni John Momoa tsaka ni Jack Black was outstanding. Like, sobrang galing. And, yeah, it did not disappoint for a Minecraft fan. Si Mai, hindi siya Minecraft fan. Hindi siya naglalaro, pero nabasa niya yung mga books ng Minecraft like 10 years ago. And, she was so happy with the movie. Ayan na sila! Oh, guys, what will you say? Thank you, Rizira.
Thank you.
Bakit? Pagbigyan mo kami. Ganon, ganon, bilis. Bye. First, we mine, and then we craft. Minecraft!